I am Jesus, and I see you. I see the heaviness you carry, the silent tears you hide from the world. You wonder if anyone truly understands the depths of your pain. Maybe you've tried to keep moving forward, pretending that the hurt isn't there. But deep inside, it's there, waiting to be acknowledged. You ask, why is this happening to me? Why does life feel so heavy? Where is hope when all seems lost? I want you to know something important. These questions are not signs of weakness. They are the very cries of a heart longing for healing and peace. And I am here to answer those cries. You are not alone. When I walked the dusty roads of ancient Judea, I carried burdens heavier than you can imagine. I felt the sting of rejection, the weight of sorrow, and the shadow of fear. But I did not carry those burdens for myself. I carried them for you, so you would never have to walk alone in your darkest moments. I invite you now. Lay down your burdens at my feet. Let me carry what you cannot bear alone. For my yoke is easy, and my burden is light. The power of faith in the storm. The storms of life will come. You will face pain, loss, and confusion. These storms are inevitable. But here is the truth many miss. The storm does not have to destroy you. Faith is the anchor that holds your soul steady when waves crash all around. It's not just believing that things will get better. It is believing I am with you, right here, right now, in the midst of chaos. Remember the story of Peter walking on the water? When he focused on the storm, he sank. But when he kept his eyes on me, the waves calmed beneath his feet. Your faith works the same way. So when fear whispers lies and doubt creeps in, lift your eyes. Look to me. I am your refuge and your strength. Healing begins in the broken places. You may feel broken. You may feel that your mistakes, regrets, or scars have marked you forever. But listen carefully. Your brokenness is where healing begins. I am the healer of the brokenhearted. I bind up wounds no one else sees. Your pain is not the end of your story. It is the place where grace finds you. Take a moment and breathe. Feel my love surrounding you like a gentle breeze. There is no condemnation here, no shame, only acceptance and the promise of restoration. Forgiveness. Freedom for your soul. One of the heaviest chains people carry is unforgiveness, towards others, but especially towards themselves. If you hold on to anger or guilt, you trap yourself in a prison of pain. I came to set the captives free. Forgiveness is not forgetting, nor excusing harm. It is releasing the power that pain has over you. It is a choice, a powerful choice, to walk into freedom. If you struggle to forgive, speak to me. I will help you. Let me soften your heart so you can release what holds you back. You are loved beyond measure. There is nothing you have done or could do that would make me stop loving you. My love is not earned by deeds or good works. It is freely given, unchanging, eternal. When the world tells you that you're not enough, remember that I knit you together in your mother's womb. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Your life has purpose. Your existence matters deeply to me. No mistake, no failure, no broken moment can separate you from my love. Walking forward with hope. Hope is more than wishful thinking. It is the confident expectation of my promises. When you feel like giving up, I encourage you to hold on. Step by step, day by day, walk forward knowing I go before you. I prepare the way. Even when the path is hard, you do not walk it alone. Surround yourself with truth, scriptures, prayers, fellowship with others who encourage your spirit. Let these be your shield and your sword. Your miracle is closer than you think sometimes. You feel stuck, waiting endlessly for change or breakthrough. But I assure you, your miracle is closer than you think. I specialize in turning hopeless situations into testimonies. I bring beauty from ashes, life from death. Keep your heart open. Watch for my hand at work, in small moments, in quiet answers, in unexpected blessings. When you least expect it, joy will burst forth like spring after a long winter. Final words: you are never forgotten. Before I leave you today, hear this clearly. You are never forgotten. Your life is precious. Your story is sacred. I am with you now. I will be with you tomorrow, and I will never leave you. Lean into my presence. Rest in my peace. Walk with me, and together we will rise beyond every struggle. Come to me, all who are weary, and I will give you rest.